na naman uli ang ating gagawin. So let's start with 4 eggs, itlog. Sunod natin idagdag ang ating butter, around 3 tablespoons. Room temperature o softened butter yung ginamit natin. I-break lang natin ng konti. Of course. At halo tayo ng halo. Ayan. Next, ang ating condensed milk. We're gonna use 1 can. You can reduce the amount if you like na hindi masyadong matamis. Mix lang natin ulit. So we need sweetened flake coconut, around 300 grams. Flake na siya. Ayan. So yung ano na siya, yung tawag dun. Medyo matamis siya, flake coconut. And then lastly, we're gonna add half cup of all-purpose flour. Half cup lang. Ready na yung ating mixture. Ayan o. Pakita niyo yung ano ng flake ng coconut. Yan. And then we're gonna transfer it to our baking pan. Good. So meron tayo dito yung pan. We can use the foil pan, but I have this one. Na nag-grease natin yung butter na natira doon sa container na pinanggalingan ng butter kanina. So we're gonna just pour the cream in our pan. Yun. Mas maganda meron siyang enough space, baka umalsa siya later. Bango. Okay. Bake at 320 Fahrenheit for 50 minutes to an hour. We're gonna do the toothpick test to make sure that it was properly cooked. After 35 minutes, ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. It took an hour bago maluto natin. So we keep doing the toothpick bago siya naluto. And palamigin lang muna natin siya. And then we'll be back para sa taste test tayo. Ayan. Ooh. So naluto siya in an hour. Harap. Pambili na, pan-dessert. You can never go wrong with this one. Try nyo na guys.